Alright, so my husband is working on an outlet, and we have no, well, oh, good. But my Keurig isn't on. So, figure now is the perfect time for me to check out the K-Cup coffee press. So, I've got my favorite K-Cup here, and I'm going to press down, and it'll puncture it. I better put my cup into place. I've already got my creamer in there. And now, I've got my water at 200, like it says. And if you can see on here, there's 6, 8, and 10 ounces. So I'm going to go to 8 ounces, because that is what I usually press on my Keurig. And you can see it already start to drip down, and it says to plunge it slowly for 20 to 30 seconds. So actually I'm going to use the timer on my camera to help me judge that. And you can see my coffee cup slowly filling up. Actually, I think I'm going a little slower than I need to, but I want to make sure to get a good cup of coffee. Very handy, I must say, because I had my first cup like 45 minutes ago and was kind of waiting for the power to come back on and everything, so I was glad to have my tea kettle. Alright, and all the water is now out of the reservoir. Yep, there's nothing left, and it says to let it sit for a few seconds while it stops dripping. And it's no longer dripping. Cup of coffee. Awesome. It's not exactly as strong as out of the Keurig, but I would say like 95% of the way there. So that is fantastic to me. I am highly impressed, and yeah, so glad I have this thing.